heavy is he?
Pardon?
How heavy?
He's like 28 pounds.
Jeez.
He's 28 pounds.
What's his name?
Kids.
Kids.
He has a brother named Kat, and he's like 26 pounds.
Really?
Hi, kid. He's being really well behaved, though. He's not running away.
No, he's good. He won't go anywhere, and he's friendly. Like he won't.
He's
He
just.
won't scratch or
I
do
mean,
anything,
all these
but
people and all this noise. Isn't that sweet?
I was gonna stop at Tim Hortons on the way through, but I'm like, no. They're gonna think something's wrong.
You know what? I got 3, and when I travel with them, I find that the only thing that keeps them quiet is if I put on news talk. Yeah. 28. 28 pounds, did you say?
Yeah.
She's like, I feel exposed.
I don't know. I don't want to. I think he's angry. Yeah.
He's scared.
I've learned my lesson.
That's the idea.
They're supposed to be like the most gentle cats, though. Yeah.
I don't want you I don't smell my cats. I got cats.
Oh.
It's like he dies. I think he's like 7 or 8. I adopted him a few years ago from a family.
Shauna, look at this kitty.
That's not a kitty. He's a tiger.
I have to get over how big he is. He can walk around, that's fine. Don't chase him. He can't go. It's just
Kid.
That's the cutest noise.
It's cute when you're driving a car.
It's okay.
You're a big kitty.
But he hasn't left my place for like 5 years. So.
Oh, really?
This is, yeah.
This is a big outing.
Hey.
That's okay, buddy. You can go for a walk. You want to go for an air check with my boss?